Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect contact form information to WhatsApp after form submission in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our Elementor form and we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So when user add information and then click on send or submit, then information redirect to WhatsApp after form submission. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write cool form kit light Elementor form builder. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, go to Elementor page. So this is our form and refresh the page. So this is our form. So click on it. On left side you see content style advanced. In content you see multiple options and then you see action after submit. So click on it. Now click on it. So we are going to add WhatsApp action. So click on it. Now add it and then you see WhatsApp redirect. So click on it and then you see WhatsApp phone. So you can add your phone number. Now you see phone with country code. So you can add phone number with country code and then you see WhatsApp message. So you can add your custom message, or if you want to add contact form field information, so you can add it. Now you see use field shortcode for send form data as write your custom text. If you want to add break, so you can add percentage, break, percentage. So we are going to send name and email. Now add name. So now we are going to add break, percentage, break for break line, next line. Then we are going to add email. Now we are going to add field shortcode. Now go to form field. So click on it. Now you see name, again click on it. Now you see advanced, so click on it. Now you see shortcode, now copy. Now go to WhatsApp redirect again. Now click on it. Now add a name. So we added shortcode field ID name. So now we are going to add email shortcode. Go to form field again. Now you see email, so click on it. Go to advanced. Now copy. Now back to WhatsApp redirect. Now click on it. Now add. So you can add form information or custom message according to requirement. And then you see WhatsApp phone. So you can add your country code. So we added phone number and then click on publish. So you can add your phone number. Now form publish done. Go to page and refresh the page. So we added some information and then click on send. Now you see form submission done. So we are in WhatsApp. Now you see chat on WhatsApp with number. Now you see name. But you don't see email because our format is not good. We don't add percentage. Back to form. So we are in form. Now you see percentage break. So again add percentage. And then click on publish again. So we are going to fill the form again. Now publish done. Go to form. Refresh the page. So we added information and then click on send again. Now you see submission done. And then you see name, Hassan, email. So this is format. Now you see chat on WhatsApp. So click on continue to chat. Now you see message. If you want, you can download or use WhatsApp web. So click on it. Now you see in messenger name, Hassan, email. Also you see break line because we added percentage, break, percentage. So that's why line break show. So in this way you can redirect contact form information to WhatsApp by using plugin in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.